Installing a Bimini top is fairly easy. It can be done with minimal tools. All you really need is a tape measure, a drill, and a screwdriver. This is a Kingbird 3-bow Bimini top. It's 50 inches high by 67 inches wide and is 6 feet long. Unbox the pieces and organize them for easy access and identification. Lay the cover out on a flat surface with the bottom facing up. Identify which side is the front and which is the back. The 3 bow centers will be the first poles to install. Locate the sewn-in sleeves on the cover and organize the poles to their locations. Begin with the back sleeve. Note that the back sleeve is actually partitioned into 2. The top sleeve with the zipper is meant for storing the cover when collapsed. The bottom sleeve is meant to receive the pole. Insert the pole into the sleeve, making sure you leave a little sticking out. Repeat this with the second one down the middle sleeve and the third one down the front sleeve. Next, select the back bow poles. Organize these poles in this manner in order to prep for installation. Connect the long piece to the back center pole, using the spring-loaded button catch to fasten them together. Once fastened, slide the poles the rest of the way in the sleeve. Then connect the short segment to the middle center pole. Repeat this process on the opposite side. And now the front bow poles can be installed on the front center pole. Lay the front pole down in this manner to prepare for installation. Note the tip of the pole. It is angled down. This proves to be the correct pole for this side. Insert the pole the rest of the way through the sleeve and repeat this process on the other side. Next, the front pole will then be secured to the back pole with the use of a thumb screw and a lock nut. Raise the front poles, inserting the eye end into the jaw slide on the back pole. Secure in place with the lock nut and the thumb screw. Tighten well, but do not over-tighten. You do not want to damage the threads. Repeat this process on the other side. And finally, the rear support poles can be installed. Once again, secure into place with a lock nut and thumb screw. Repeat this process on the other side. Assembly is complete, and the Bimini top can now be installed on the boat. Collapse the Bimini and position it on the boat for a rough fit. Choose a location that will not interfere with the motor or seating arrangement. Mark the rail at the end of the pole. This will be the approximate location of the rail mount where the Bimini will be secured. Measure the distance from the stern to this mark, and then mark the other side rail at the same measurement. Next, gather your rail mounts. This Bimini top came with nylon mounts which have a flat base. I recommend purchasing rail mounts that have the curved base, which will better fit the rails on a Jon Boat. I also recommend rail mounts that come with quick release pins. This is a nice added luxury that allows you to take the Bimini top off with ease. Place a rail mount on the mark that was made on the boat railing. With a metal punch or a nail, tap a mark where the first mount screw will be secured. Drill a pilot hole at this spot using a bit that is a little smaller than the diameter of the screw. Secure the screw into place using a screwdriver or drill driver. Make sure you do not over-tighten and strip the freshly cut threads. Finish by drilling and securing down the second screw. Repeat this process on the mark you made on the opposite side. With some help, mount the Bimini poles into the rail mounts, securing with the quick release pins. The rear support poles will be mounted next. Slide these poles along the railing until you get the desired leveling of the Bimini top. I like mine slightly tilted forward to make up for the angle when the boat is on plane. Pencil a mark at this location where the rail mount will be placed. Install a mount on the end of the pole and measure the distance from the stern to the mounting location. Secure mount to rail by drilling pilot holes and fastening down with screws. Repeat this process using the same measurement on the other side. Once the rear support poles have been pinned into place, the front nylon straps can be installed next. Locate the nylon jaw slides on the front bow poles. Unravel the nylon straps and identify the end with the loop. Pinch the loop and insert it into the jaw slide. Secure into place using a lock nut and a screw. On the opposite end of the strap is a clip. This clip will be secured to a strap eye, also called a pad eye. Measure the distance between the rear support poles to the main mounting bracket. Use this measurement from the main mounting bracket to where the strap eye will be mounted. Pencil a mark on the rail on each side of the boat. Place the strap eye on this mark and secure in place by marking, drilling pilot holes, and fastening with screws. Then repeat this process on the other side. Once the strap eyes are installed, attach the clips and tighten the straps. The Bimini top is now ready to use.